Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing neem face wash that will brighten a skin tone immediately. This neem face wash, if used regularly, will do some amazing things to our skin. It will fade scars and blemishes and reduce breakouts greatly as neem has antibacterial properties. It also has anti-aging properties and does not strip the skin of its natural oils. The first ingredient we need for making the face wash are 5 to 6 large soap nuts. I have always made my face washes with liquid Castile soap as a base, but this time I made with soap nuts. Soap nuts cleans the skin really well and I really liked it a lot. To use soap nuts, break the soap nuts using a mortar and pestle and remove the inner seeds and soak them in a cup of water overnight. Soaking helps soap nuts release the saponins easily. The second ingredient we need is handful of neem leaves. Neem has amazing antibacterial properties and treats almost all skin problems. We have a huge neem tree in front of our house that is more than 100 years old, and I love to use the fresh leaves from the tree. But if you don't have access to fresh neem leaves, use a tablespoon of neem powder instead. The final ingredient we need is a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I like to use just a teaspoon of aloe vera gel as it helps thicken the face wash a bit, along with conditioning the skin well. To make the face wash, take the soap nuts that has been soaking overnight in a cup of water in a pot. Add in a handful of neem leaves to it. Now boil this mixture in low to medium flame till it reduces in half. This mixture foams and boils over easily, so always keep a watchful eye. Once it's reduced in half, the liquid will take on a brownish color. Now switch off, cool and strain the liquid. To the strained liquid, add in a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix well till the aloe vera gel is mixed well into the face wash. Once mixed well, store in a bottle. This face wash lasts well for 4 to 5 days at room temperature. Though not like store-bought face washes, this face wash does foam and it cleans the skin amazingly well. To use, take little bit of the face wash in a small piece of cotton and wipe it all over the face. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.